This is a 2009 Toyota Camry. This is how you remove the alternator. First, you have to remove the negative side of the battery terminal, and then you have two 10 bolts that you need to remove from the alternator. Two 10mm bolts. So once you remove those 10mm bolts, you have a little clip that you need to remove in order to free up the wire so you can easily take out the alternator from that little slot. So after you finish that, you need a 90mm socket to ease the tensioner, so you can get the belt to be free, so you can take it off the alternator. Always be sure to look how the belt is situated before you remove it. Like, make a mental note, take a picture, or draw it on something so you can remember if you're not used to doing belts. So in order to remove the alternator now fully, you need a 40mm socket to pull the top bolt of the alternator. The alternator uses two bolts. Top one is a 40mm and the bottom one is a 12mm. So you can go ahead and crack that loose, and then now use a 12mm and feel for the bolt under the bottom section of the alternator and get that removed. Now once the bolt is out, just hold the alternator firmly and pull it towards you. Be sure to be careful with the wires so you don't damage them. And now you can go ahead and pull the alternator all the way out. Give it a firm grip and pull it. And that's it. And how to replace it, you have to just do the complete opposite of what you just did. That's it.